there's always a reason for everything. So we've hunted hard. Last Saturday I missed a bird. Oh, I'm so stupid. That was disappointing and crushing, and then we went all week without seeing another bird. But I came into town, and the first place I stopped, I saw a strutter. Pulled off to the side of the road, brought the binoculars up, strutter with a hen. I just had a gut feeling that we needed to hunt that bird in the morning. Redemption. Oh, yes! Redemption. Oh, my goodness, yes! Oh, 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 thank you. Oh, the only downside, nobody to celebrate it with. Yet. Nobody yet. Woo! Well, that was about the longest 10 or so minutes in a long time. I got in the blind kind of just in time. There's the mic right in front of the blind. So that's what I've been freaking out about, is where's the freaking mic? Luckily it didn't blow the hunt. As soon as I get done, we'll see if it works. God, I hope it does. That'd be amazing, amazing. Hopefully there's not water spots all over that. I got a hen decoy out. This tom was on a hen last night. Roosted it. It came out nearly the same spot I thought I saw it go in. Got a little bit of good footage. She gobbled once and boom. So I'm pretty excited. So excited I can't find any of my stuff. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at the hooks. Sharp points. These might be the biggest hooks I've ever gotten. All right, well, this was a great hunt for me. We figured the bird might be 4, which is crazy to me. 9-inch beard. The spurs measured at 1 1/4 inches. A little bit of redemption for me for missing last week, so I feel a little bit better about that. But thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.